Hi everyone, this is Jerry Chen from Real Estate Tax Tips, Wealth Hacker here. Today I am all the way up north in Bracebridge. I am doing a YMCA camp with my kids, and I just thought that it would be a good idea to visit my friends' commercial building. They own a commercial building out in Bracebridge downtown, and I thought it is a good idea to to do some tour at their building because they've spent over $1 million here in renovation. The cost to buy the building itself is only $300,000, maybe $350,000. I don't really remember the exact same number, but they've done a ton of renovation here. So recently it was appraised at about 2.3 million to 2.5 million. They think that it could be sold easily for 2.5 to 3, but then the reality is that they've been putting a lot of work and hours into monitoring the contractor and hiring their own staff doing the renovation. It's very exciting for the building and the city, but they put a lot of money and time into investing in this building. There are definitely easier ways to do investing and create wealth, and this is one of the harder, to me this sounds like one of the harder way to create wealth. If you're interested in finding different ways to build long-term wealth, spending 9 months of the year here doing renovation, rather than spending 9 months of your time doing renovation here, you can come to our Wealth Hacker conference, that we will teach you exactly different ways how to generate easier wealth, provide step-by-step guidance on doing so. So make sure that you check out our website, wealthhacker.ca, wealthhacker.ca. Tickets are on sale now. Make sure you get it before they're all gone. Have a great day.